We're here in southern Israel at the Ben & Jerry's Israel factory. Ben & Jerry's Israel has been a long-time licensee of Ben & Jerry's International. But following a nasty pressure campaign by BDS, Ben & Jerry's International told the local Israeli licensee, Avi, that in 2022, at the end of the license, it will not be renewed. Boycotts don't help. They only harm people. Hundreds of people from various backgrounds, Jews, Arabs, and others, stand to lose their jobs and their income because of Ben & Jerry International's decision. How exactly does refusing to sell ice cream bring about peace? Avi, what should the world know about Ben & Jerry's Israel?
Ben & Jerry's Israel is already more than 35 years acting, producing, distributing Ben & Jerry's ice cream in Israel. We're in the southern part of Israel. We have 160 employees. Most of them are long-term. We get fresh cream and fresh milk from all the farmers around us. Ben & Jerry's in Israel is one of the most favorite brands.
Thank you very much and good luck. Join our campaign and make your feelings heard by sending letters to leading executives at Ben & Jerry's and their parent company, Unilever.